Peace, guys. Welcome back to the channel. Been doing some work to the old cruise here. I'm going to test this new composite metal intake you can get on Amazon. It's got the ported intake. It's got the place for your boost gauge. And what I'm going to do is, if this holds up, I'm going to show you guys. I've got this kit that blows everybody else's away. You don't even have to mess with your internal PCV valve. Just leave it there and it will not go away. It won't blow out. You will not have high crankcase pressure. You will not lose valve covers. This will be the ultimate deal. So bear with me. I'll be back with more videos. I'm trying to keep up with this, but I've been busy. I got a lot going on. Been driving the old Focus ST. If I could get this thing to run half as good as that car, I'd be happy. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna get this cruise and we're gonna see what we can do with it. See how much horsepower we can make. For real, this isn't no glass and mirrors, smoke and mirrors bullshit where they show you what they want you to see. So I'm gonna get better at filming. I'm gonna learn how to make good videos, and we're gonna have a kick-ass channel. For real, a real channel. So I'm gonna test this out for everybody so you guys don't have to go out and waste your hard-earned money on it, and make sure it's good. But let me give you guys an update. I have ran into nothing lately on any vehicle but problems with these cheap Amazon parts. Thank God I was up here bleeding the coolant system last night, because the oil inlet hose, whatever you want to call it, on the turbo, it literally almost exploded. And I'm just going to start buying OEM. I mean, I don't have the money to do that, but it's better than blowing up your motor. So what we're going to do is we're going to make some cool videos, okay? We're going to get this channel going. Guys, what kind of cars do you want to see? What do you want to see done to the... I know a lot of you guys are into cruises. What do you want to see? Focuses. But that car's staying in stock. I don't know. What do you guys want? You tell me. But I'm going to test that intake out and actually we'll just wait 2 weeks. If it's still good in 2 weeks, I'm going to check the PCV valve, and if it doesn't get sucked out the exhaust, we'll know it's good. And then we are going to have a killer new way to fix this engine permanently, and it looks cool. You don't have all these discombobulated hoses and all that. And I'm not saying nothing bad about that. That dude, whoever made that cruise kit, really is a knowledgeable fella. But this will look better, and it will make your car run better too. So just bear with me, guys. I want to get this channel going, and we'll just go from there. What kind of cars do you guys want me to get? Just let me know. Let me know. I gotta get used to filming. Hey guys, any suggestions on what to film with? I'm using my iPhone now, but alright guys, just a little bit of an update. So thanks for sticking with me. You guys all rock. Every one of you. Have a good weekend. Peace out.